Hi all, today we are going to see the demo of modifying the subscription from ATG to CBEL via the web service call. In this demo, we will see whether the user ordered subscriptions or services can be changed using ATG, and that can be submitted to CBEL via the web service call. So as soon as user changes the subscription in ATG, it will be synced to CBEL via the web service call, and thereby the CSR can review those changes submitted by the user, whether they are valid or not. Then further he can submit the order to the fulfillment system for further processing. As soon as the order progresses in different stages, those stage details and the order status can be reviewed in both CBEL and ATG. Once the order gets completed, the asset will be created in CBEL. Thereby the CSR can review those asset details in CBEL, and also the service will be created and will be visible to the end user in ATG under My Services screen. So let's see in real time how it works. Now I am navigating to the ATG screen where I will log in as an end user, where he has ordered already a product called 3G mobile data service. So I log in with a user ID Neha, with the proper credentials. I click on login and I will be navigated to the home page where I can see all the details of available, all products, all catalogs, categories, promotions, and everything is available to the user in home page. Now for this demo we will select the services where user has already ordered one 3G mobile data service and he started using it. Now user wants to upgrade the quota, so there he can see the details of the product. Then now the monthly quota he has is only 5 GB. So now he wants to increase this 5 GB to a 10 GB. So for this he will be selecting a change button. Then user will be navigated to the configurator page where he can see the monthly quota earlier was 5 GB. Now he wants to upgrade to 10 GB, and then he can click on end configuration. Now in the shopping cart again he can see the one product has been added and the monthly quota what user has updated is reflecting. Then he is ready, but the monthly he has to pay around $14 instead of the $13 he was paying earlier. So I click on proceed to checkout for further placing an order. So now the user is still using it at the same location and he wants to use the same credit card information. So he click on apply for the shipping method. Thereby he can see the place order button getting enabled. He reviews this order with the recurring price $14 and click on place your order. And after clicking on place your order, he can see the confirmation page in ATG and confirmation email will be sent to the user. See, this is the confirmation page where user has placed the order just now. What was the earlier price, and that's been reflecting over here with the order number. And now I am navigating back to the ATG where user wants to see the CBEL order details, or he can continue shopping. Now he wants to see the order details, so he click on get Siebel. Now I can see the Siebel quote ID and order ID getting generated and displayed in ATG screen. Now user can continue shopping by clicking on continue shopping button, or he wants to review these details, he clicks on the menu and clicks on orders screen. Now he can see 3 orders, so because we can see the earlier 2 orders placed by the user, click on next button. There he can see the latest order that he has ordered just now. By clicking on view details, he can see the order details. So let's review back the order details by clicking on back order history. Now let's see this order is getting reflected in Siebel or not. So by navigating, I am navigating to the Siebel screen where I am in accounts screen with by logging in with one user and Neha Jain as an account I queried. There I can see the order and code getting created, and one order, let's see, let me refresh these orders. So now I can see the order getting created and displayed, and with the code number is this and order number is this. So let's review the order and order details. By clicking on order details, I am navigated to the order details screen and just wanted to review the details of the order I placed for a change of subscription. So for this I am navigating to the attributes screen, and there I can see the start price is reflecting as $14 and monthly quota is 10 GB that user has just now opted for change of his subscription. Being a CSR, I wanted to review these order details, whether the user has entered proper details or not. I am reviewing more details of the user, and then I will update the appropriate information in Siebel and selecting the billing profile. I verified that the billing profile, address and service account, all other details are reflecting appropriately, but the service ID I am just populating for an unique number only for the demo purpose. Then now I am ready to go for submitting an order for further fulfillment. I click on submit, then the status getting changed to open. Now I see the same details in reflecting in ATG or not. For this I navigate back to ATG screen. There again I will refresh the orders by clicking on orders and then clicking on next. I can see the order status getting changed to open. Once the order status changes to complete, then the service gets activated with the new changes requested by the user. Let's review the order details in Siebel if it is complete or not. So for this I am navigating back to Siebel and going back to account summary page of Neha Jain. Then thereby I can see the order is getting completed. I just refresh once again, then I can see the order getting completed. Let's see what is the status reflecting in ATG. For this, to refresh in ATG, I again click on orders screen. There I click on next. There I can see the current order getting completed. So let's see the assets in ATG, whether they are reflecting the proper quota or not, because we have just changed the asset information with the quota updated. Let's review this. Now I see my asset getting reflected with the changes that I ordered for a monthly quota of 10 GB. So with this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.